All right, another quiet weather day, mild and dry. It's been more clouds than sun, but we've had some hazy sun at times. Looking at North Situate now at 75. When the sun comes out every now and then, though it's been pretty rare this afternoon, it's been a hazy sun, and once again, wildfire smoke, and once again, this is aloft in the upper part of the atmosphere. There's nothing really concentrated near the ground. There are no air quality alerts. Temperatures, a little cool for early August, mid to upper 70s now in most areas. You got 77 in Providence, mid 70s along the South Shore, and looking at 75 in New Bedford. So here's the breakdown. What's on the weather menu with hazy skies for this evening, with generally a lot of clouds, but no precipitation. We need rain. The lawns and gardens will continue to be thirsty throughout the entire week into the weekend and into early next week. There's really no significant rain or storminess over the next 5 to 7 days. A nice weekend ahead. It's starting to transition much warmer starting Sunday, to the point where we're talking hot weather early next week, both Monday and at least Tuesday, with temperatures both of those days in the lower 90s. Typically we're about 83, 84, and close to average today, maybe just a little below at that tomorrow rather. And then on Friday we're in the lower 80s. Saturday looks good. There's the warming trend which starts on Sunday. Then we really kick it in early next week, and whether or not we can get maybe a 3-day heat wave out of this early next week remains to be seen. But you get the idea of some of the warmer weather that's on the way towards the latter part of the weekend. Showers to the north, showers to the south, and in between we're dry. Will stay that way. Just this canopy of clouds has been covering the area a better part of the day. I want to take you out in the North Atlantic. Of course, we're in hurricane season. This is Tropical Storm Dexter. The Canadian Maritime's right in here. This is continuing to track off to the east and northeast, away from any land areas. Of course, now that we're in August, things really start to ramp up in terms of the tropical storm development, August and September. Hurricane Center watching with a little bit of interest. One system in the eastern Atlantic and another off the east coast of the United States. As far as this eastern Atlantic one, there's a 60% chance of development over the next 7 days. And then the one along the east coast, there's a 40% chance over the next several days of development. If something were to form off the east coast by early next week, it would actually head offshore, would not be a threat to the U.S. mainland. But we'll keep you updated as the tropics become active. Let's take a look at the forecast. We're going to move ahead now to tomorrow afternoon, which is really a nice day after some early morning clouds, sunshine, upper 70s. Humidity is down here. It's not too high, so once again, it's comfortable. Friday looks good. Sunny skies, upper 70s to lower 80s, and this starts the trend of a really beautiful weekend with sunshine both Saturday and Sunday. Here we are Saturday morning. Starts off at 66. Should get up to about 81, 82 during the afternoon. So for tomorrow morning, clouds early, then becoming sunny at 9 a.m. Temperature starts off at 71. We start with a northeast breeze, which becomes southeast in the afternoon. Here's the hour-by-hour breakdown tomorrow morning. Notice the brighter weather by later in the morning. And tomorrow afternoon is looking pretty good. We got mostly sunny skies and comfortable temperatures in the upper 70s. And the hour-by-hour forecast for the afternoon looks pretty nice. Temperatures upper 70s to briefly near 80. Beach is not bad. Any early morning clouds giving way to some sunshine. Temperatures in the upper 70s. All right, 7-day forecast looking good for Friday with more sunshine. And look at that weekend. Sunny skies. Seasonably warm on Saturday. Much warmer on Sunday. And here comes the heat for early next week.